Hello dear students, in this small video we are going to derive an expression for time period of a satellite. Okay, what is time period of a satellite? It is the time required for the satellite to complete one revolution around the earth. Okay, time required for the satellite to complete one revolution around the earth is called time period of a satellite. Okay, so how to calculate time then? So basically we know that time is equal to distance by speed, correct now? Time is equal to distance by speed. Time is equal to distance traveled divided by speed. Okay, one time period means time required to complete one revolution. In one revolution, what is the distance traveled? Distance traveled will be equal to circumference of the path, correct now? Distance traveled will be equal to circumference divided by speed. So therefore time period of a satellite, time equal to distance by speed. In traveling one revolution, distance traveled will be equal to circumference, correct now? Circumference divided by speed. Okay, so therefore time period is equal to, what is circumference? Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, correct now? What is r? What is r? R means radius of earth plus height of the satellite, correct now? Re plus h, correct now? 2 pi r means radius of the circular path is re plus h divided by speed. So speed of the satellite is called orbital speed, correct now? VO, orbital speed. Now I'll do the calculations here. Time period is equal to 2 pi r divided by orbital speed. What is the equation for orbital speed? Orbital speed is equal to gme divided by re plus h, correct now? Gme divided by re plus h. Okay, now I'll do some simplification here. 2 pi into re plus h. Okay, now this goes to the numerator. What happens? Square root of re plus h divided by gme. Okay, now the next step, this re plus h goes inside. When re plus h goes inside, it becomes re plus h whole square. Already when re plus h is there, it will become re plus h whole cube. Hope you can understand. Okay, square root of 4 is equal to 2, correct now? Square root of 4 is equal to 2. When 4 comes outside, it will become 2, correct now? When 2 goes inside the square root, it will become 4, means it becomes square. So what happens? This re plus h goes inside the square root, so it becomes re plus h whole square. One more re plus h is there, so it becomes re plus h whole cube. So t will be equal to 2 pi into square root of re plus h whole cube divided by gme. So this is the equation for time period of a satellite. This is the equation for time period of a satellite. Now we will do some approximation for a surface satellite. For a surface satellite, or if h is very small compared to re, if h is very small compared to re, then re plus h will be approximately equal to re. So this will become re cube. Okay, so t is equal to 2 pi into square root of re cube divided by gre square. Why is this? Because we know that g is equal to gme divided by re square. From this equation, I can write gme equal to gre square. Re square and re square gets cancelled. 1 re remains. So time period will be equal to 2 pi into square root of re by g. Okay. The general equation is this: 2 pi into square root of re plus h whole cube divided by gme for a surface satellite, or if the satellite is very close to the surface of earth, if h is very small, then time period will be equal to 2 pi into square root of re by g. Hope you understood this. Thank you very much.